H-E-L-L-O. It's wonderful to see your face again. Hello, hello, in case you didn't know, it's super nice to have you as my friend. The wind might blow, it may rain or sleet or snow. You never know just what the sky might do. Whatever kind of day, everything is a-okay, 'cause it brought together me and you. Hello, hello, H-E-L-L-O, I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. I brought my xylophone. Do you remember our xylophone and our cuckoo bird? Do you remember the sound the cuckoo bird made? Ready? Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Oh, it's a fun cuckoo bird. Well, do you remember the sound of the cuckoo bird on the xylophone? We had a mama cuckoo bird, and we had the baby cuckoo bird. Can you tell the difference between the mama cuckoo bird and the baby cuckoo bird? Listen carefully. Mama cuckoo bird, baby cuckoo bird. If you said the baby cuckoo bird sounds higher than the mama cuckoo bird, who sounds lower, you're right. Nicely done. So I thought we'd play a little with that. So the first thing you need to do, you ready? Close your eyes. I'm going to play one of the cuckoo birds. Open your eyes. Which cuckoo bird was it? The mama cuckoo bird or the baby cuckoo bird? You ready? It was mama cuckoo, mama cuckoo. Good job. Listen again. Close your eyes. No peeking. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Which one was it? Mama cuckoo or baby cuckoo? Did you say baby cuckoo? You're correct. So, I thought it would be lots of fun if we played a game where when I play a mama cuckoo bird or the baby cuckoo bird, you have to dance either like a big cuckoo bird or a little cuckoo bird, which means way up high or way down low. You ready? Are we ready? Let's go. Close your eyes. Did you get it? You want to try it again? Let's try one more time. Great. Now, I want you to make up your own cuckoo bird song and dance really tall, high baby bird cuckoo, or down low, mama bird cuckoo. Can you do it? Let me see. Great job, friends.